Retsch's product philosophy is based on a quote by Aristotle: "The whole is greater than the sum of its parts." Therefore, our R&D department does not simply choose high-quality components, but also pays full attention on the perfection of their interaction. It is this approach which determines Retsch's products to be superior and makes the new Mixer Mill MM400 the optimal device for the preparation of small quantities. Due to its universal character, the MM400 is used for a great variety of applications in biology, chemistry, pharmaceuticals, environment, ceramics, and mineralogy. It performs fine and ultrafine grinding of not only hard, medium-hard, and brittle samples such as alloys, bones, and glass, but also elastic and fibrous ones like plastics and hair. The mill is ideally suited for disrupting biological material for the isolation of DNA and RNA. With a maximum feed size of up to 8 millimeters, a grind size of down to 5 microns can be realized. The screw-top design of the grinding jars prevents leaks so that even wet comminution can be executed simply and without any sample loss. Defined positioning of the grinding jars in the clamp with automatic centering ensures a maximum degree of reproducibility. The optimized self-locking clamping device simplifies handling of the jars and supports the safety aspect of this device significantly. 2 grinding stations for jars up to 50 milliliters allow high sample throughput. The grinding time, as well as the oscillation frequency of up to 30 Hz, can be pre-selected digitally and precisely. An electronic speed control keeps the vibration constant during the entire grinding process. The user has the option to save up to 9 parameter settings, which offer ultimate convenience in routine testing of various samples. During the grinding process, the parameters are then safe from any accidental changes. At the same time, this guarantees maximum reproducibility of the sample preparation process. After starting the machine, the sample containers perform radial oscillations in a horizontal position. Thus, the material is hit alternately from various sides by the grinding balls. This high-energy impact and friction action makes the Retsch MM400 one of the most efficient grinders on the market. Compared to traditional mixer mills, the MM400 provides an enlarged oscillation radius. On account of this, a significantly higher grinding energy is applied to the sample, which leads to a drastic reduction of the grinding time. Opposing action of the jars ensures stability, even at maximum oscillation intensity. The whole sample is recovered. Standard applications that the MM400 is used for are, for example, spectral analyses like XRF, ICP, or AAS. Subsequent pelletizing or fusion is directly possible. The MM is therefore also an economical and ergonomic alternative to the widely used puck and dish mills. Furthermore, this multifunctional device can also be used for wet grinding, cell disruption, and cryogenic grinding. The screw-top grinding jars offer an ideal prerequisite for wet grinding. An additional Teflon sealing prevents leakage of liquids and particles. Smaller sample volumes, as commonly used for the isolation of DNA and RNA, are preferably prepared in disposable reaction vials, such as those from Eppendorf. For this purpose, adapter racks are available that hold up to 10 reaction vials. By using grinding media of glass, for instance, cell disruption is effected in an extremely short time, which makes additional cooling unnecessary. Temperature-sensitive and elastic materials can be successfully processed by external cooling of the grinding jars. For this purpose, a special cryo kit consisting of 2 cryo boxes, 2 grinding tongs, and protective spectacles is available. With this equipment, Retsch offers the easiest and most efficient way of grinding the ungrindable, with only little consumption of liquid nitrogen. In contrast to cryogenic grinding conducted by other mills, neither preparative nor continuous cooling are necessary. The grinding results are greatly influenced by the choice of grinding accessories. Jar volumes and ball charges, as well as their materials, should be selected according to the nature and quantity of the sample to be ground, in order to avoid interference of the subsequent analysis. To optimize your specific grinding process, the MM400 offers an unrivaled variety of jars and balls ranging from 1.5 milliliters to 50 milliliters and from 5 millimeters to 30 millimeters. Both are available in agate, hardened steel, zirconium oxide, tungsten carbide, stainless steel, and Teflon. Grinding balls and glass beads for use in reaction vials are available in sizes from 0.1 millimeters to 5 millimeters. A huge amount of unique features determine the superiority of the new MM400. The convenient benchtop unit is the ideal grinder to prepare small sample volumes. Our Mixer Mill MM400 is an easy-to-use, universal, and at the same time powerful tool to conduct perfect sample preparation. It is the optimal solution to get reliable and reproducible results for your grinding, mixing, homogenizing, and cell disruption process. For further information, visit our website, www.retsch.com. There you will find our complete product range and a list of our international distributors.